Hello everyone, you're welcome today on Joy's Health and Beauty Kitchen. So right now I'll be making sugar scrub. Not only sugar, I'm going to be using a lot of things to make the scrub to be able to give you an even skin tone, and also it's going to be like a super whitening body scrub and also face scrub. It's also going to be turmeric, carrot. I use a lot of things, there are a lot of things. So I'm going to be showing you the ingredients I'm using. So this is already infused carrot oil. You can see that is the carrot oil that is already infused. You can see, so this is it. So I already infused all the natural ingredients I wanted to use is here in the oil. All right, so carrot oil, so many other natural ingredients here. Then this is the sugar. I'm going to be adding honey. I'm going to be adding Joy's and Joy's herbal bitter cola serum. I'm going to be using the Joy's herbal liquid soap. You can see Joy's herbal liquid turmeric soap. All right, so let's start. So first of all, I'm going to be adding the honey. Okay, let me add up the oil first. I have to see the quantity. See, you have to take your time. It has to really soak very well. So making scrub is not something you just do pa. So after I mix it, I'm going to leave it to soak for about 2 to 3 days. So I'm going to be adding step by step. See, the inside is, I think the sugar is too much on the something. So I'm going to be adding this also. So I want the oil to soak in the sugar. So this will give a very beautiful, even skin tone. That when people see your skin, they will be asking you, "Oh my God, sis, what are you using?" Or "Brother, what are you using?" Just tell them they are using Joy's herbal product, because these are pure natural. This is herbally prepared from Joy's Herbal Kitchen. So I'm going to be adding the honey also. I'm going to be adding some organic honey. I already added to the oil, but I'm still going to add a little bit. Then I'll mix it. Soaks very fast. Okay, so I'm going to leave it overnight. So tomorrow morning I will continue to complete it. Okay. All right, welcome back. Today is another day. You can see here I just finished squeezing 2 lemon now. 2 lemon, ice lemon water. You have to filter it out. That is it. So I'm going to leave that. I'm going to set that aside. Then I'm going to be dividing the sugar, because the sugar is really much. It's too much for this container. So I'm going to like divide it so that I can I'll be able to mix it. Sugar scrub is very good for the skin. You know that sugar has a lightening agent on its own. It helps to tone up the skin naturally. So I'm dividing the sugar because it was much. So I have to mix it very well. Then now I'm going to be adding the lemon juice. Then I allowed it to soak also. So after adding the lemon juice, I will be adding the serum. That is Joy's Herbal Serum, made up from, it's a collagen made up from bitter cola. Then I will be adding Joy's Herbal Turmeric Shower Gel. You see, already it's looking beautiful. Then I'm going to be mixing it very well. I'm going to mix it very well to make sure that everything is well mixed. So can you see? The scrub is looking so beautiful. This is called Skin Lightening Scrub, made up from all types of natural ingredients. Do you see? Oh my God, it's going to make your skin shine. To make your skin shine. You can see how glittering it is. To make your skin look bling and shine. So what are you waiting for? Place an order right now and I'll get it delivered to your doorstep. Okay, it's so beautiful.